Good morning, class 5th students. We were doing chapter number 5 and we have completed chapter 5, exercise 5th A and exercise 5th B. Yesterday we have learned divisibility of different numbers. So today we will do exercise 5th C. So take out your notebook, math register and write the exercise 5th C. And the date of today. Date of today is 21/6/20. I will tell you this exercise in your book, but you will do this exercise in your math register. Each question. So I will tell you in book. So question number 1 of this exercise is find the number that are divisible by the ringed number. Part A, B, C, D are given here and the ring number are given here. In front of the ring number some numbers are given and we will tell the number are divisible by the ringed number. So we will check. So part A question 49, 94, 123, 6516 and the ring number is 2. We will tell which number is divisible by 2. So as you know very well that divisibility of 2 so you know very well a number is divisible by 2 if it is even. So we will find out the even number from these numbers. So 49 is odd number. So 49 is not divisible by 2. 94 is even. So we will write an answer 94. We will leave 123 because this is odd number and 6516. So these two numbers are divisible by 2. So in answer we will write 94 and 6516. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will do part B. Part B given 60, 58, 115 and 7552 and the ring number is 5. So we will tell which number in these number is divisible by 5. So you know very well the divisibility of 5. The divisibility of 5 is, we will know very well, number that end in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. So number with end 0 and 5. So 60 with end 0. So we will write 60 because 60 is divisible by 5. 58 we will leave. 115, yes, this number is divisible by 5 because end number is 5. 7552 we will leave. So these two numbers we will write an answer because these two numbers is divisible by 5. Now part C 195, 2970, 3006, 4200 and the ring number is 10. So we will tell here which numbers is are divisible by 10. So we will know very well, the divisibility of 10. End number is 0. A number with end with 0 is divisible by 10. So we will check which number with end with 0. 195 we will leave. 2970, yes, this number end with 0. So this number is divisible by 10. 3006 we will leave. 4200, yes, this number is divisible by 10. So in answer we will write these two numbers. Now part D 133, 321, 4713 and 2640 and the ring number is 3. So we will tell here which numbers are divisible by 3. Or we know very well the divisibility of 3. The divisibility of 3 is a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So we will check 1 3 3. We will add each digit of this number. 1 and 3 4, 4 and 3 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, so 133 is not divisible by 3, so we will leave this number. 321 we will check. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 6, and 6 and 1 7, so 7 is not divisible by 3, so 321 also not divisible by 3. Now 4713. 4 and 7 11, 11 and 1 12, 12 and 3 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so 4713 is divisible by 3, so we will take in answer this number. 2640. 2 and 6 8, 8 and 4 12, and 12 is divisible by 3, so 2640 is divisible by 3, so we will write in answer also this number. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will move question number 2. Question number 2 is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Part A and part B and part C are given here. We will tell which of the following number are divisible by 9. We know very well the divisibility of 9. Divisibility of 9 is, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9, same as divisibility of 3. So we will check part A. First of all we will do part A. So we will check which number in part A are divisible by 9. So first of all we will check 108. So 1 and 8, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 108 is divisible by 9, so 108. 387. 3 and 8 11, 11 and 7 18, so 18 is also divisible by 9, so 387 is divisible by 9. Now 1 2 3 3, 1233. So we will add each digit of this number. 1 and 2 3, 3 and 3 6, 6 and 3 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 1233 is divisible by 9. Now 4609. 4 and 6 10, 10 and 9 19. 19 is not divisible by 9, so this number we will leave. Now question number B. 801. 8 and 1 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 801 divisible by 9. 719. 7 1 8, 8 and 9 17. 17 is not divisible by 9, so we will leave. 7231. 7 and 2 9, 3231. 3 and 2 5, 5 and 3 8, 8 and 1 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 3231 is divisible by 9, so we will take 1 and 8 9. This number is also divisible by 9. In part C, 576. 5 and 7 12, 12 and 6 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so this number we will take. 8 and 3 12, 11, 11 and 9 20. We will leave. 9 and 7 16, 16 and 5 21, 21 and 6 27. 27 is divisible by 9, so 9756 is divisible by 9, so we will take this number. 24,624. 2 and 4 6, 6 and 6 12, 12 and 2 14, 14 and 4 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so 24,624 will be divisible by 9, so we will take. I hope you will be understand well. You will do this exercise, each question in your notebook. Fair register. Thank you.